tired of feeding your kids cheeseburgers and hot dogs and boring American food? Do you hope to add some international spice to your children's experiences in their young lives? You know we are one big global community, and you want your kids to understand our melting pot culture of America. You know it's becoming so important to teach your kids to interact with everyone from all sides of town. What if we can open your kids' experience through the world of food? Let's teach your kids to make Asian lettuce wraps from Southeast Asia, basic crepes with honey sea salt from France, and Tuscan panzanella salad from Italy. My name is Anna, and I created our Cooking Around the World online course so your kids can become more involved in our multicultural world.